Last, but certainly not the least, a very, very powerful personality, Major General Balraj. Major General Balraj Mehta is the third generation in uniform. Both his grandfathers were decorated King's Commissioned Officers of British Indian Army, and his father was a celebrated police officer. He was commissioned into Special Forces of Indian Army and later shifted to regular infantry. He has a wide range of operational, administrative, logistic, and HR management experience of over 35 years in uniform, for which he was awarded 10 times for gallantry and distinguished services. After superannuation, the veteran general officer is active in the corporate management, leadership training, parent coaching, and career counseling. And another feather to his cap that he's a TEDx speaker and a mentor of change with Niti Aayog of the Government of India. In addition to this book, he has written 2 other books on parenting and one on his life story, which is currently underway. So, Major General Balraj Mehta ji, we invite you to take the stage and talk about your journey, your book, and what's in store for the readers.
Thank you, Neha ji. Thank you very much. And very kind of Manish Sharma ji to provide me with this platform. And he has been an inspiration as far as parent coaching is concerned. And this book of mine has some connection with the parenting also, because I feel that leaders are not born, they are brought up, they can be trained. There are only leadership traits which have to be identified and nurtured, and we have to work on molding the character accordingly. So I had 35 years in the Indian Army. Thereafter I was in the corporate. I am in the corporate since last 5 years, and I have also done parent coaching, training and other things. And I feel that there is a requirement to educate our young entrepreneurs and budding professionals who face a lot of problems in their lives, and they don't know as to how to react at various situations. But what I feel very strongly is that the basic traits, if you follow, you will be able to handle any situation. Leadership is not only required in the army, not in the police, ITBP, security forces, Navy, Air Force. Leadership is required everywhere. And leadership is required even for your own family, for your society, and even for your individual selves. So the 20 traits which have been identified in the book, they are listed as sincerity, enthusiasm, loyalty, unselfishness, courage, knowledge, integrity, endurance, bearing, justice, judgment, dependability, initiative, decisiveness, tact, strategic foresight, emotional intelligence, agility, empowerment, and visionary leadership. These are all explained in a very easy to understand language, and I have given my practical first-hand experiences to highlight each and everything which I am telling in this book. Like since my childhood, I had this streak in me to do things which nobody else was willing to do. I will give you 2-3 examples. When I was in class 8, so there was during the annual sports meet, there was a fight between 2 children. So I was in class 8, so I was just about 13 years old. So I came outside, I found there was a circle and वो लोग जो हैं अंदर लड़ाई झगड़ा चल रहा, and उसमें there were 2 boys, मतलब 8 साल के 9 साल का बच्चा होगा, वो 2 लोग उसमें लड़ाई झगड़ा कर रहे थे, और एक उसमें से जो बदमाश था उसने ऐसे हाथ डाला और एक छोटा सा चाकू निकाल लिया। ये आपको देख, पुराने ज़माने लोगों को पता होगा ना, वो 2.5-3 इंच वाला वो सेब छीलने वाला चाकू होता था, तो उसने वो चाकू निकाला ऐसे खोल के, एंड देन ही स्टार्टेड सर्कलिंग एंड ट्राइंग टू। तो मैंने देखा वो काफ़ी देर चलता रहा, कोई नोबडी वाज मूविंग। सो आई वेंट इनसाइड एंड मैंने उसकी बाँह मरोड़ी और चाकू छीन लिया और उसको भगा दिया। तो इधर उधर चलते रहे, थोड़ी देर के बाद उसकी मम्मी आ गई और वो मुझे ढूंढ रही। अब हुआ क्या कि वो बाजू जो है वो जो ऐसे मरोड़ते हैं, तो मैंने उनकी बाजू उल्टी मरोड़ दी, तो वो उसको काफ़ी दर्द हुआ। लेकिन द पॉइंट इज कि आई हैड दैट इनिशिएटिव। इसी तरह से इन माई विलेज देयर वाज नो न्यूज़पेपर व्हेन आई वेंट टू 10th क्लास। देयर आफ्टर वी यूज्ड टू गेट अ न्यूज़पेपर फ्रॉम अम्बाला कैंटोनमेंट। जब कभी सब्जी सुब्जी लेने गए, राशन लेने गए, एंड व्हेन आई वेंट टू कॉलेज आई फाउंड देयर वाज अ लाइब्रेरी एंड देयर वर newspapers and magazines, and also I said यार why हमारे गांव में क्यों नहीं। So then I decided and we made a list, one of my friend junior to me, we made a list of about 100 people in our village who are prosperous enough or educated enough or aware enough to be able to willing candidates who could ask for a newspaper subscription। 1500 घर थे हमारे, तो 100 घरों में हम लोग घूमे, हमें 8-10 दिन लग गए। हम 100 घरों में गए, उनसे पूछा आपने न्यूज़पेपर लेना है, कौन सा लेना है, एंड देन 47 ऑफ देम दे एग्रीड। तो किसी ने इंडियन एक्सप्रेस लेनी थी, किसी ने अजीत लेना था पंजाबी का, किसी ने उर्दू का कुछ लेना था, किसी ने कोई और नवभारत टाइम्स, इस तरह के 47 न्यूज़पेपर का ऑर्डर था। देन हमने एक ढूंढा बंदा शेड्यूल कास्ट हु वाज विलिंग टू गो टू द कैंटोनमेंट फ्रॉम एजेंसी गेट द थिंग, तो उसको करके हमने फिर न्यूज़पेपर सर्विस शुरू की। दैट वाज इन 1976 व्हेन आई वाज इन क्लास 11। सो अल्टीमेटली फाइनली आई केम टू द आर्मी एंड माय पेरेंट्स दे वर वेरी क्लियर अबाउट 3 थिंग्स। हमको 3 उन्होंने ऑर्डर मिलते थे हमारे को घर में, 3 रूल्स। One was always tell the truth, second one was respect your elders, and third one was come home in the evening before dark. So these are the 3 rustic rules on which I have written another book. But the point is that these rules, they made us very honest, law abiding, and this is the very first principle that I am dealing in this book, first trait, that is sincerity. You see, the example that I gave, when I was commissioned into one para commando. So para commandos mein there is a probation period of 3 months, and in those 3 months you are put through so much of physical test and mental test and training and other such things that you cannot hide your personality, so they will find out. So I was just working the way I work, sincerity के साथ में I was appearing in all the tests. So there was one test of speed march, 10 kilometer, 20 kilometer, 30 kilometer, 40 kilometer. So 40 kilometer speed march with about 20 kg of weight, we were supposed to be going through, and it takes about 6 hours, and you cannot walk. It is slow jogging. So after about 30 kilometers, I started slowed down, and the NCO who was accompanying me, I still remember his name, Havaldar Nirmal Singh. So he told me, साहब मेरे को अपना पैक दे दो। पैक में we had 17 kg of sand भरी होती थी, उसमें पीठ छिली हुई, मतलब पूरी तरह से दर्द हो रहा, कोई क्रैम्प हो गया, डिहाइड्रेशन हो गई, समथिंग। तो आई वॉज स्लोइंग डाउन। सो ही सेड सर अपना पैक दे दो मेरे को। मैंने कहा ना, पैक नहीं मैंने देना। एंड फिर थोड़ी देर और चलते रहे। फिर इसे साहब राइफल ही दे दो। मैंने कहा नहीं, राइफल नहीं देनी। सो ही केप्ट ऑन आस्किंग मी फॉर अबाउट 1 or 2 kilometers एंड आई रिफ्यूज्ड। अल्टीमेटली आई टोल्ड हिम, मैं क्या मेरा टेस्ट है, मैं अपना वजन खुद उठाऊंगा। तो मैंने वो टेस्ट हो गया, पास हो गया। सो आई थॉट कि वो नॉर्मल सरदार है, मैं भी पंजाबी बोलता था। हमने सोचा शायद नॉर्मल गुडविल में वो कर रहा होगा कि लेफ्टिनेंट साहब को हेल्प कर देता हूँ। तो आई ऑलवेज थॉट ये बात ऐसे ही थी। सो 1983 की बात है। एंड देन आफ्टर रिटायरमेंट इन 2018 एंड देयर आफ्टर व्हेन आई वाज ट्राइंग टू पेन डाउन माय काइंड ऑफ अ लाइफ स्टोरी, Then it suddenly dawned on me, मैंने कहा यार ये नॉर्मल बात नहीं थी. This was possibly or most likely a test of my integrity and my sincerity by the people who are judging me, my probation officer, my commanding officer, my company team leader. So they were judging me on this, and if I had taken his help, वो उन्होंने अगले दिन सवेरे मेरे को मूवमेंट ऑर्डर दे देना था, भाई साहब थैंक यू वेरी मच, यू आर अ चीटर, यू कैन नॉट बी डिपेंडेंट ऑन, यू डोंट हैव इंटेग्रिटी एंड सिंसेरिटी. So what I'm trying to say is that these things can be nurtured through your parenting, through your childhood, and then once you get senior enough, say you are in class 12 or you are new into job, you may be having certain issues. So this book will be applicable to all, including the parents. It will be useful for the growing children of class 10, 11, 12 and college. It will also be useful for the young professionals who just joined a job, very junior, and it will be very interesting to go through the stories that I have given, including the stories of how Rashtriya Rifle was formed, how 1971 operations which were, they were turned very fast, how General Field Marshal Manekshaw refused to obey Indira Gandhi's diktat to launch operations in the month of April 1971 and went in December 1971. So there are various other personal examples of mine when I was a second lieutenant, captain, adjutant, quartermaster, a commanding officer. So I feel this book will be very useful for anybody. This has been published by Gurukul Publications of Hyderabad, and the foreword has been written by Dr. Sanjeev Chopra, who is an ex-director of the Lal Bahadur Shastri Academy, very kind of him. And I also am very thankful to Mr. Manish Sharma for providing me this opportunity. And this book has been is available on the Amazon, and it has also been published in hard copy. You can see this hard copy with a jacket, so that can also be ordered, and I am sure it will be a companion to everybody who reads it, and it will be useful. I look forward to your comments for improving, and I am also trying to get it translated into Hindi, which will be thereafter useful for a wider population. Thank you very much, and I am grateful, and all the best to everybody, and Happy New Year. भारत के नव वर्ष की आपको शुभकामनाएं.